Hey, Mr. McLaren here. So we are going to just show you how to do a concept map on this Google slide. So basically, um, just watch this video. It's going to show you the different rock types, and it's going to create a little map of how they're related, aka a concept map, and you're going to recreate that. So I'm just gonna delete that with the delete button, and I'm gonna make um, some text boxes, and I always misspell that one. The rock types I always misspell them. Sedimentary. So we've got sedimentary rock right there, and so you can be like, okay, well, I've got this little bubble here. If you want to, you can actually do some things to make it look a little bit different. So you can like change like the colors of like the text. So you can be like, I want this to be this color, or I want, for example, the borders, I want to be a different color. Hold on. So you can be like, I want the borders to be white so that they've got like a little box around them, or whatever. There's a ton of different things that you can do to make these look a little bit different. So you've got some options there. And then from here, you can actually draw lines between this and other boxes. So you could make like another text box and then um, like connect these. So you can make the colors mean something, you could have them not mean something. It's all up to you. And so you can then also move this around and be like, oh, I want this to be what is it? Ignatius. I know I misspelled that one. So you can be like, oh, I want this to be that, and then you can even be like, oh, these two things. Maybe you could be like, oh, I want to have all of my rock types be have that like orange background color or whatever. And so you're like, oh, I'm gonna color coordinate this, make it look a little bit nice. Make this text color white. Oh, no, never mind. So you can do like a number of color coordinations, and then you could also, in between the actual rocks, write about what happens to them. So you can be like, okay, I'm going to do these boxes in a different color. So maybe I could be like, oh, well, this, like, it had to melt first, right? I think that's what it is between these two. So you could be like, but please write out as many detailed things as you can, and they go through a lot in the song. So if you can add in some of that stuff, I'd really like it. So you can have like some text box, maybe for example, this one, maybe you're like, oh, I'm gonna do all of these the things that are in between the rock types as like this color or whatever. And so you've got like your effects as one color and your rocks as a different color. And then you can kind of just move these around as needed or make more text boxes. Um, yeah, there's a lot of good tools there. So yeah, if you got any questions about that aspect, please let me know. Thank you. I'll see you in class.